Hi there, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Well, in this video, let's talk about the importance of having a strong vision. For successful goal setting, having a vision is extremely important. In my experience, a lot of the times we don't succeed in our goals is because we don't really have a strong vision. We don't have strong pictures around our goal. So how do you really set strong pictures? You must figure out what is it that really makes you happy. So sitting down with yourself daily for a few days and identifying what is it that really makes you happy, and then putting it all down on paper and creating a very strong story around it. Once you create a story and are able to envision this story coming alive in your life, that is when the law of attraction is going to go out there and bring you this reality. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.